TJ Powers Family Farm. You ever just have one of those moments where everything just kind of goes click, right? So I'm in the barn here. You can kind of tell. I'm actually on the other side, the side that I rarely use. Let me put my gloves down. Okay. So normally I have the goats on that side over there, right? And they eat the crap out of the one side of the hay and they pick through it. And then I had this side closed off for whatever reason. I told myself I was saving it for when the kids were born. I really don't have any idea what I was thinking. Then I realized that why don't I unlock it so they can get at both sides of the hay instead of me having to turn it about all the time. Don't know. Guess I had a blonde moment, you know, all those blonde hairs. Yeah, no, everyone's doing great here. They now that I got this side open, they actually can get a little, she's still, that little one there, she don't eat that great. I'm trying to separate her off when I do things and try to do that, but she got separation anxiety from that one there. So every time I try to separate them, she just screams the whole time. I'm sure if I just kind of separate her for a length of time, it wouldn't be such a big deal, but I think I'd have to get one more goat to make that work out perfectly so she wouldn't scream and cry. Maybe get another one that's kind of lower on the totem pole. It's not such a pig or not so brutal. You know, this works great. I don't know why it took me so long to think of that. Couldn't tell you. I honestly, I don't know. I feel kind of silly. Yeah, it's kind of the big thing here today is I realized that why I didn't have the whole barn open. Maybe I'll look back at my videos and I'll see my logic in that. But got a couple more things I want to do here. Hope everyone's doing great. I believe it's Thursday, and should be kind of muggy out, about 80 degrees and muggy. Make sure they're all fresh water and all that fun stuff. But I'll be right back. Now she's able to eat on that side, and these two are able to eat over here. Come on, focus. And, yeah. Problem is that she'll come back around, she'll come through here, and then they're not going to let her eat. Watch. Toby will. There you go. So this might give a little more space to everybody. I'm going to make a little lean-to, I think, off of this over here. Put this stuff outside so then I can load this whole thing up all the way across with hay instead of just having the backside like I had with storage in the front. Hopefully this allows that hay to turn over more so they don't waste as much. But we'll see how that goes. Yeah, even if I get a weathered goat, I think one more companion so I can split the two, I think would help with kind of the herd order here and let her get her fill. You want to try to feed her separately. It's doesn't work as great as I would like. But, yeah. Not sure what she sees up there that she wants. Oh yeah, she's the boss. Man, is she the boss? Hey, buddy. Hey. Got him all brushed. He's all soft now. What's going on, big girl? Okay. All right. It's like something from The Exorcist. Filling out nicely. I've changed kind of their feeding a little bit. Feed her. I'm trying to feed them kind of separately, and yeah, you, and that's kind of helped. Kind of, all right, buddy. I don't want your butt pointed at me, but it's helped kind of fill her out. But again, the little one there, I'm not 100% sure even of her breed. With the ears like that, it's kind of difficult to tell. But she's definitely of a smaller breed, or she's just a runt. Yeah, she might just be a little girl. Yeah, see, that's exactly what happens every time. Every time. Hopefully, though, she's smart now and starts coming over here and getting her fill. But nope, she's just going to keep trying to get in here. Trying to get her scraps. I'll figure it out. Feel better? Feel better? Yeah. Looking better. Looking better. Oh, give me the lip. Some of that off you. It's not so bad, huh? Yeah. Sorry for the noise, the guys got the brush hog out. Huh? Alright, I think that's pretty much gonna do it for me. Stupid thing. Yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for me. I hope everyone's having a good week so far.